Hi, I'm Jen from Trotman Indigo, and I'm going to quickly show you how to use the Personal Statement Builder on your Indigo Unis account. To start with, log into your Indigo Unis account. When it's time to start writing your personal statement, your teacher will set this up for you on their account, and you'll receive a message from them here saying that you should begin writing your personal statement. You will see the Personal Statement Builder tile appear on your Indigo account, down here. Click on this tile to get started. You'll be able to see that your teacher has set deadlines for you, and you can now see the full advice bank for writing a personal statement. You must now start the personal statement by selecting the subject that you're applying for at uni, so that your teacher knows and can recommend and comment as needed. Then click on the Edit Statement button. Your teacher may have assigned a template here, which will help you get started with prompts and character limits for each section. You'll fill in each section and can use the advice bank here if you get stuck. There are lots of options, so have a browse and look around yourself when you have time. You can then click this preview button to see what it looks like all together, and click this actions button to save your draft and send it to your teacher. Once they've had a chance to look at it and review your draft on their own Indigo account, you'll be able to see their feedback on each section of your personal statement here. You can even comment back to them to have a discussion as you write. Once you and your teacher are pleased with the end result, you'll be able to use the action button to submit your final draft, and once your teacher has approved, you must click on the preview button to download it as a Word document. From there, you can copy the text and add it to your account on UCAS. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this how-to video helpful, but if you have any questions or ideas that you want us to cover in other videos, please leave a comment below or email us at hello@indigo.careers. And don't forget to follow Trotman Indigo on social media to get updates about what we're doing, and subscribe to our channel to find all of our help videos in the future.